Let's talk about semiconductors and जो जंग चल रही है सेमीकंडक्टर्स को लेकर. Why are computer chips at the center of global politics? आपने देखा होगा कि जितनी भी हेडलाइंस हैं यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स और चाइना के ग्लोबल कंपटीशन के बारे में, वो ये कहती हैं that both countries are fighting a chip war. लेकिन कभी आपने सोचा है कि ये tiny pieces of silicon suddenly क्यों हैं at the heart of geopolitics? Because today chips are the foundation of power. जितनी भी advanced technology है इस दुनिया में, it depends on them. चाहे वो artificial intelligence हो या मिसाइल गाइडेंस सिस्टम्स हो, सैटेलाइट्स हो, क्वांटम कंप्यूटिंग हो, ऑटोनोमस वेपन्स हो, 5G हो, या फिर आपका स्मार्टफोन हो या आपकी गाड़ी हो. Without semiconductors, the modern economy simply does not function. But here's what makes this a geopolitical issue. आज की दुनिया में कोई एक भी सिंगल कंट्री ऐसी नहीं है जो कंट्रोल करती हो एंटायर सेमीकंडक्टर सप्लाई चेन को. The United States dominates chip design and key software. Taiwan मैन्युफैक्चर करता है दुनिया की सबसे एडवांस्ड चिप्स. Netherlands produces extreme ultraviolet lithography machines through ASML that make cutting-edge chips possible. Japan supply करता है critical materials and manufacturing equipment, and South Korea leads in advanced memory chips. And China remains heavily dependent on foreign technology for the most sophisticated semiconductors, despite investing hundreds of billions of dollars to build domestic capabilities. ये जो डिपेंडेंस है, this has become a strategic vulnerability. और इसी वजह से United States has imposed export controls on advanced chips and chip making equipment which is destined for China. Now the objective is not simply commercial competition यहाँ पे. It is to slow China's ability to acquire technologies जो कि बहुत civilian and military applications में use होती हैं. So semiconductor की जो जंग है, it is much more than trade. It is about technological leadership, national security, economic resilience, and military advantage. And perhaps that is the biggest lesson. In 20th century, geopolitical power often depended on oil. लेकिन 21st century में, it increasingly depends on who designs, who manufactures, and who controls advanced technology. So the real question is not who is making the chips, but the real question to ask is who controls the technologies that will shape the future balance of power. Because in today's world, silicon has become strategy.